Hello everyone, today we will compare IC markets against Fusion Market, two prominent online trading platforms in the world. So IC markets, known for its low spreads and high liquidity, and Fusion markets, which prides itself on being customer-centric and affordable. So in this comparison, we'll dive deep into their features, pricing, performance, customer and support, pros and cons, and at the end of the video, I help you choose which one is the best for you. So make sure you watch till the end because I have created a presentation that will help you easily make an informed decision to choose the correct option. And if you want to sign up for IC markets and Fusion markets, you can use my affiliate links in the description below where I will earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And you might also get rewards and discounts upon signing up. So without any further ado, let's get started. So now let's go directly to the features comparison. And when it comes to regulation, IC markets regulated by ASIC, SISEC, FSA, and SCB, while Fusion markets is regulated by ASIC and VFSC. And when it comes to minimum deposit, IC markets have minimum deposit of $200, while Fusion markets, they don't have minimum deposit. When it comes to spread, so both platforms have a zero point zero pips of spread, so they have average of that. They're just the same. When it comes to trading platforms, IC markets have MT4, MT5, and C Trader, while Fusion markets mostly use MT4 only. And yes, when it comes to another features like educational resources, IC markets have available in their platform. Same thing with Fusion markets, but the information is not available in their website. When it comes to trading instrument, IC markets have forex, commodities, indices, bonds, cryptocurrencies, and stocks, while Fusion markets have over 250 financial products including CFDs on currencies, US shares, indices, futures, and cryptocurrencies. When it comes to account types, IC markets have C Trader, raw spread, and standard, while Fusion market, the information is not available, but expect the same. And that's it for the simple feature comparison. So now let's go directly to the pricing. And when it comes to commissions per lot, IC markets have a commission of $3.5 per lot fees, while Fusion markets have only $2.25 commission per lot. When it comes to minimum deposit, as I said, IC markets have $200 minimum deposit, while Fusion markets have none. And when it comes to withdrawal fee, both platforms have no withdrawal fees, so it's free. And when it comes to deposit methods, IC markets have Visa, MasterCard, PayPal, Skrill, and Eteller. Same thing with Fusion markets. So that's it for the pricing comparison. So now let's go directly to the performance comparison. When it comes to daily forex trade volume, IC markets have largest single online forex CFD brokerage in the world, while Fusion markets not specify in their case. And when it comes to execution speed, both platforms have fast execution speed with low latency, but Fusion market is slightly better. When it comes to spread, as I said, both platforms have zero point zero pips of spread. And when it comes to overall score of performance, IC markets, when it comes to scale of 10, there are 7, while Fusion markets, they are 4.3 out of 5. So yes, that's it for the performance comparison. So now let's go directly to another section, which is customer and support. And when it comes to availability, both platforms is available 24/7. So they're always available. When it comes to channel, both platforms have a live chat, phone, email channels. But when we talk about the response time, IC markets is quick to response but can have long waits. While Fusion markets, their response time is not specified in their platform. And when it comes to quality of support, IC market sometimes helpful, sometimes less so, while Fusion market is known for their high quality support. So yes, that's it for the customer and support comparison. So now we're done with the customer support features, pricing, and performance comparison. Now let's go directly to the pros and cons, and let's start by discussing IC market pros. When it comes to pros, they have low forex fees, they have competitive spreads with low commission rates, they are easy and fast account opening, streamlined process for new clients, they have free deposit and withdrawals, no fees for money transaction, they offer standards and raw spread accounts, flexibility in account types, and lastly, they are regulated by several financial authorities, including the top tier ASIC. So that's it for the pros. When it comes to cons, they have limited product selection, fewer instruments compared to other competitors. They have slow live chat support, can take time to get a response. And lastly, they have no investor protection for non-EU clients, which mean less security for certain clients. And yes, that's it for the pros and cons of IC markets. Let's go to fusion markets. When it comes to pros, same thing, they have low trading and non-trading fees, one of the lowest in the industry. They have fast and easy account opening, quick setup for new traders. They have a great customer service, high quality support and good reviews. And lastly, they are regulated by top tier financial authority, which is the ASIC. Same thing with IC markets. When it comes to cons, fusion markets have basic educational tools, limited resources for learning. They have limited product selections too, not as many options as some larger brokers. And lastly, they have no investor protection, which means no safeguarding of client funds. So yes, that's it for the fusion market pros and cons. So now we're done with the pros and cons. Now let's go to which platform is the best for you. And let's start that by discussing who should choose IC markets. So IC markets is referable for professional traders who require a wide range of instrument and advanced trading tools, for scalpers and day traders who benefit from low spreads and high execution speed, for algorithmic traders who utilize CTrader and MT4, MT5 platforms for automated trading, and lastly for traders outside the EU who don't need EU investor protection. So if you have all of these qualities, IC market is the best for you. So now let's talk about who should choose fusion markets. Fusion markets is referable for budget conscious traders who are looking for the lowest possible fees and commissions, for beginners who appreciate a simple account opening process and customer-centric support, for traders preferring personalized support who value having a dedicated trading specialist, and lastly for traders in Asia Pacific region who might prefer a broker regulated closer to home with local customer service. So if you have all of these qualities, fusion markets is the best for you. And yeah, that's it. So in conclusion, both platforms have unique advantages that cater to different types of traders. IC Markets stands out with its comprehensive range of trading instruments and robust trading platforms, making it an excellent choice for experienced traders who need a sophisticated trading environment. On the other hand, Fusion Markets shines with its low-cost structure and exceptional customer service, appealing to those who prioritize affordability and support. So choosing the right broker is a personal decision that should align with your trading strategy, experience level, and financial goals. Whether you value a wide selection of trading tools or a cost-effective trading experience, both brokers have their merits. So with that being said, the comparison is over, and I hope this comparison helps you to choose the correct option. And also that's it for today's video. See you in the next one.